Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see birthdays on Snapchat. Whether you want to send birthday wishes or keep track of your friends' special days, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step is that you have to make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your phone. And then open the Snapchat app on your phone. And now swipe right to go to the chat screen. This is where you can see all your conversations. To find birthday information, tap on any friend's profile icon in the chat list. And once you are on your profile, you can see their birthday right under their username. This indicates that this person is born on 26th of October. And if you will tap on it, and here you will see a birthday list of all of your friends on Snapchat. And that's it. Now you know how to see birthdays on Snapchat. It's a great way to keep track of your friends' special days. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.